students, I'm Madam Joyce from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today I'll be with you to discuss our topic, which is found in Form 5. And this topic, it is called the cytology, whereby we are going to deal with our subtopic, which is the types of the cell, and whereby we are dealing with the eukaryotic cell, discussing on the cell organelles. So in the previous session, whereby we try to look on the cell organelle or cytoplasmic organelle, which is called the endoplasmic reticulum, and whereby we terminate by looking on the structure, which is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the functions. So now, as I told you in the previous session, that in this session we are going to start another kind of endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Remember, we are discussing on the endoplasmic reticulum. So now, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is abbreviated as SER. So we have to see what is this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So simply, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this is the type of endoplasmic reticulum, possesses smooth wall because the ribosomes are not attached to the membrane. So this endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is smooth. Why is it smooth? Because the ribosome did not attach, hazijashikiza kwenye ile structure ya endoplasmic reticulum. That's why we can call it as a smooth. Why is it smooth? Because the ribosomes are not attached to its surface or to its membrane. So as you can see, this one is the structure of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there is absence of the ribosome. Hakuna uwepo wa zile ribosome. As you can see, it is very smooth, but within it there is this structure which is called the cisternae. The cisternae is whereby it allows different kinds of chemical reactions to take place within the cell. So that's all. That's the structure of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So now let's see the function. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum occur mostly in those cells which are not involved in the metabolism of lipids such as steroids and the glycogen. So the location now, where is it located? This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Inapatikana tu kwenye zile seli ambazo hazijihusishi, which are involved, zinajihusisha kwenye masuala mazima ya manufacturing of steroid together with the glycogen. Is where now you can find this structure ambayo inaitwa smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But also, the smooth endoplasmic reticula are generally found in adipose cells, interstitial cells, and glycogen storing cells of the liver. So this one is the location. So where is it located? This smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Simply, it is located within the adipose cells. Within the adipose cell of living organism, interstitial cells. Ndipo ambapo inapatikana pia kwenye glycogen storing cells ambayo inapatikana within the liver. Is where now you can find a lot of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And they also occur in conduction fibers of the heart, spermatocytes, and the leukocytes. So apart from those parts that I've mentioned to you in the previous slide, also this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are occurring within the conducting fibers. The conducting fiber, that is the nerves, which are responsible for transmitting the impulse. So during the action, so this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is occurring over there. But also within the conduction of the fiber of the heart. Within the heart is where now is it located, but also within the spermatocytes. ndipo ambapo zinapatikana pia within the leukocyte. The leukocyte, that is the white blood cells. You can find a lot of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the muscle cells are also rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum, which is found mainly within the muscles, it is called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. So you have to note this word, that is sarcoplasmic reticulum. You can be asked into your exam, so what is sarcoplasmic reticulum? So don't be surprised. This sarcoplasmic reticulum, they are just a they are endoplasmic reticulum which are occurring within the muscle cells. So it's where now you can find this smooth, sarcoplasmic reticulum. So now let's see the functioning of this endoplasmic reticulum. After we have seen now where is it located, where is it found within the living organism. So now let's see, that is the functioning of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the first function here, we can say that for synthesis, secretion, and the storage of the lipids, carbohydrate, and the other non-proteins product. So all of these, they are function of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The first, you can see synthesis. They are used in the synthesis of steroids. They are used in the secretion, the storage of the lipids. Here we are talking about lipids. So it's used to synthesize, secrete, and storage. To store lipids. Kwa inatengeneza, pia ina secrete, inazalisha na kutunza lipids which are found within the body of an organism. Apart from that, also it is used in synthesis, secretion, and storage of carbohydrate. All forms of carbohydrate, that is, we're talking about monosaccharide, we are talking about polysaccharide, we're talking about disaccharide. All of them, they are carbohydrates. So where are they synthesized? They are synthesized in this structure, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And also you can see in other non-proteins products. All non-proteins products, they are secreted and stored. Also they are synthesized within this structure ambayo tunaita smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Another functioning of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it contains enzymes which breaking down chemical substances in liver cells. So hii ambayo tunaita smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it contains enzymes which breaking down chemical substances in the liver cells. Remember, we have seen that the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is located within the liver cell. So now, what the function of it within the liver? It is responsible for breaking down of the chemical substance. Why? It's because within it there is a presence of enzymes. So and enzymes inafanya kazi ya kuvunja zile chemical zote ambazo an organism ameziteki in. So now that's become the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But also we have another functioning of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is synthesis of the synthesis of steroids which later form hormones. Kwa pia hii ambayo tunaita sasa endoplasmic reticulum inafanya kazi ya kutengeneza steroid which later forms hormones. You know that steroid ndiyo ambayo inatengeneza different kinds of hormone. Example of the hormone that is synthesized by this steroid, it is called the testosterone hormone. It comes from the steroid, progesterone hormone. All of them, they come from this structure that is the steroid. So steroid ile inatengenezwa na nini? Inatengenezwa na structure ambayo inaitwa smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That's bring about to all kinds of the hormones that come from this origin. That is testosterone hormone, progesterone, estrogen, and so on. All of them, they are hormones that come from this source, that is from the structure which is called the structure that is termed as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So my students, let's end here. In the next part, we're going to clarify more on the structure of the structure now of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the function. So we're going to finalize the function of this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So thank you for listening.